How to install Android apps on iOS. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Android apps on iOS. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, you can open up your App Store. Now, the only thing that you actually need to know is that almost every app that is available for the Android users is also available for iOS, including the popular ones such as Facebook, Instagram, and everything else. So all you have to do is simply search for those very apps, and after you search for it, you should find it right here, which you can download it. And yeah, the other apps which are not available for Android, I mean for iOS, but available in Android, is due to those apps or those apps not meeting the requirements for iOS, or those apps not being available for iOS. There can be those apps for the iOS version in the future, but for now they are not available here. So all you can do is just download the apps whichever is available on the App Store. And yeah, that is how you can actually install Android apps which are also available for iOS on your iPhone. So yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.